They be shooting out the Mazda. See the black and blue and then we know that it's a opera. Don't want problems, they be on us cause they know we bout that drama. We be ducked off like Osama, guns tucked up. Somebody tell Demi Lovato, please let me fuck. Boy, don't be a hero, boy, don't get fucked up. Don't get fucked up. Don't get fucked up.
Alright guys, we're at the car wash right now. I got my tripod right here. Shout out to those dudes, really chill. They let me film their cars, and I'll put one of the guys' ads right here. Here's the car in sunlight. As you can see, it had some dust on there. Got some cracks right here. Headlights, they're pretty foggy. Let me just give you guys a walkthrough of the whole car. Alright, so when you're washing your car, you want to start with the pre-soak. This is what I do. Pre-soak, soap, wax, and then rinse. And you could do tire.
She say hold her, I say no sir, stand back, I'm finna pick her up and throw her. Hollow squad, the coffin fleet will never see.
I'm probably gonna wax the car first and then fix the headlights later, after. Alright, let's head back home. What's up guys, welcome back to the Rashi channel. Today we're doing something pretty new. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to clean this mess right here. This is my mom's GS300 right here. It's never been cleaned since, I wanna say, couple months. It hasn't been wax sealed or anything. You guys have to clean, or not how to, but how I do it, because I'm sure what I do isn't totally professional. I picked up some more microfiber towels. I have some wax right here. This is a lot. Oh wow, it comes with a foam applicator. I did not know that. Headlight restorer. I use this on my car. My friends use it on theirs. Like Tyler, his RSX headlights are really fogged. He told me he used these, but it fogged back up in 2 weeks. On my car, I used it around early September, if you remember from an earlier vlog, and they're still holding up well. Yeah, I'm excited to use these products. I'll let you guys know how it is. Again, what I have, McGuire's black wax and headlight restorer for my mom's GS300. Okay guys, now that the interior is clean and there's nothing gonna be in the way, well, except for this thing, but it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna be cleaning this piece right here, this leather piece. All the leather pieces, I'm gonna be cleaning it. Since I don't have my horse brush, I'm gonna have to use this new toothbrush I found. And I picked up this Chemical Guys kit for like 80 bucks. Well worth it, guys. Like, if you want to keep your leather like nice and shiny with a matte feel, definitely get this. Please sponsor me, leather guys. Definitely get this, because I use it on my car and the leather still feels like I got it out the dealership. But it's all about maintaining. Like, if I didn't keep on doing it, like if I did it every year, of course it's gonna get bad. But I try to do it at least every 2 months, 2 to 3 months. Let's get into this. to be white, dude. Now it's like black. Okay, this is how everything's looking. Inside looks really good now. I'm not gonna clean the back seats because we're losing daylight, and I want to be able to wax the car and good lighting. It's gonna clean up whatever's in here. We got some coins and more junk, but I'm sure leave this untouched, throw everything back in here in the coin thingy, and we'll be good. Got the whole car waxed by myself. It took me about 20 minutes, I believe, and I almost used everything in there. As you can see, it's starting to get hazy. You're supposed to let it haze and then buff it all out with a rag, you know, wax on, wax off. People usually do like 5 minutes. I'm gonna let it sit for 10 because this car is really dirty. I messed up a lot here because I put too much wax on the pad, and yeah, it kind of made a mess. Headlights got wax on those. I just wanted to see how much it would clean. If you use your finger and bring it out, yeah, see, it's ready. If it was like residue still, then it's not ready. Let me check over here. And you can obviously tell from the color too. So let's see here. Oh yeah, I guess it's ready to take off then. It cleared up of that yellow and it's now clear looking. Okay, so this is before, right? After. Oh my goodness, this looks really good. Looking like a brand new car out here. So you just put the last wipe on there. I did a pretty bad job because I was rushing it, but hey, it still looks really good. This one turned out perfect. Cleaned the bottom lights too, that turned out well. You can see how like clear it is. Everything was foggy. I think in a couple of weeks it's just fogged back up, but a little bit of wax should be no problem. It's a little yellow here, but there's nothing I can do about that. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Today was a really long day. I actually enjoyed waxing this car. Like, I don't know, it's something I see myself doing in the future, like opening up my own detail shop. But we'll see where this YouTube thing takes me or whatever. I'm just here for the ride, you know, and also thinking for the future, because that's of course important. I don't want to be homeless in the future and have no cars, no swag, you feel me? It's done. Everything's really like, you can even see myself through the mirror. Let me take my hat off. Yes, I did get a haircut and it's not looking good right now, but that's besides the point. Look at this reflection. Like, this is just beautiful. I know the hood it's been beat down by the sun. There's nothing I can do about that. There's a bunch of chips and everything. These are clearing up. It was yellow, like a little bit yellow before, but now it's kind of clearing up. And just look at the top. I'm surprised this part isn't damaged by the sun, but this is. But it'd be like that sometimes though. Cleaned the windshield wiper blade so the wax on here wouldn't go to waste when it's raining. Still, again, I need to put the back plate on. Clean this back window. It's my first time, so let me know how I did, or if you would like to see me do more content of me cleaning my car or cars in general. I might clean this bike up, needs some work. Yeah guys, let me know. Enjoy the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. Check out the Argots merch, argotsclo.com. Shipping's only $5. Bro, this is a bug on here. Get off my car. I really wanted to make shipping cheap because, you know, sometimes when I order something, I see like $10 shipping. I'm like, hell no. So $5 is reasonable. I lose some money, but hey, I charge a pretty reasonable price. $40 hoodies, $50 windbreaker. So please support your boy, cop some merch, and I'll be able to hopefully buy wheels for my car. I'm close to my goal for buying wheels. Peace.
Fleet will never see a closure.